Hey guys, today I have something very cool. I had quite a few points left over from shopping that I do, and I do quite a lot of that. And I went ahead and spent it all on washi tape. I actually don't know what exactly is in here. Now I did choose some of the things, but a few of them were kind of like washi tape lucky bags, like fukubukuro. And so we're gonna take a look together. I apologize if my voice sounds weird because I'm still getting over a cold, but I'm feeling much better. Looks like we have some BGM washies in here, the skinny ones. I am obsessed with skinny washi tape for some reason. And some pastel MT and some Worldcraft washi tape. I love this brand. Their designs are so cute. And another Worldcraft tape. These may have been the blind bags, so I'm going to take a look at my order and we'll see. I see an MT washi on here, but I'm not sure what brand these are. There's still more, guys. $100 worth of washi is a lot of washi. I got two MTEX blind bags, so I'm hoping they're not going to be doubles, but I'm taking a peek and I can't really tell, so we'll look together. And this is another set of Worldcraft washi. Well, here is the lineup, and apparently I have 69 washi tapes here, and I guess we can go through them one packet at a time. First, let's look at the non-blind bag stuff. Here are the washis that I ordered as singles. Apparently these 5 are from a company called Nichiban. I'm not familiar with them. The brand or the washi line is called Petit Joie, Petit Joie, which means small joy, I think. I don't speak French, guys. I don't know. And here is one single MTEX that I ordered. This was 145 yen, and these were 172 yen each. Now, I think I did see this in the MTEX blind bags, so that was a mistake on my part, but it is very cute, and I'm sure that my friend will love it if she doesn't have it already. Here is my washi book, and it is very magical. I have swatched all of my washis in here, but we're not going to look at that today. Maybe I will show you someday. Today we're just going to look at the ones that I purchased. So here are the Petit Joie, the Nichiban washis, and I must say they are very pretty. Now, this is not white paper, so when swatched they do look a little different than they would, of course, than on white paper. But I think you can get a good idea of what the design looks like. So we have lemon, coffee, pansy, Margaret, and cherry, I believe were the names, and I did mention that they were 172 yen each. The packaging said 180 yen, but take a look at that. It's an 18-meter roll, and I believe most MT tapes are 10 meters, so there is not quite double the amount, but a decent amount of washi on there for the price, I believe. I'm actually holding it upside down. I have never had the pleasure of owning one of these washis before, but I'm excited to look into what other designs they have now. Next, we have the pastels. I'm slowly trying to build up my basics collection, you know, the single colors, the dots, the stripes. When I'm out shopping, I tend to go for the more flashy tapes, so slowly gonna try to build up my basics. Anyway, I got 12 of these for 1,400 yen, and I believe if you buy them, well, on the online shop anyway, they are 140 yen. Now, you may be able to find them cheaper at stationery shops. Here are the pastel washi tapes, all swatched. I, for one, love this pastel line and feel like I will be using it quite often. Next, we have the BGM skinny tapes, and I believe I got these 12 for 972 yen. On the back here, it says they retail for 80 yen plus tax, and tax is 8% right now in Japan. So I basically paid 81 yen per roll, so it's about the same, with like 5 yen different. I mean, a penny saved is a penny earned, right? These are my first BGM skinny tapes, except for one that I received from a friend. Thankfully, it is not a double. Isn't this one cute? And I have this one. I think this is a 5mm too, but there's a lot more on the roll. I'm not sure what the difference is. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and go through the other washis because I'm filming with the air conditioning off and it is pretty hot. So I'm going to go ahead and film this bit, and then I'm going to go swatch with the air conditioning on, and I'll be back to show you what they look like. These are the 30mm Worldcraft washi tapes, and I have this in a skinny tape, so it's kind of interesting to see it like that. These were 2,332 yen for 10. You know, they are thicker. so they will cost more. But these retail for 240 yen a piece, so it's a little bit cheaper. Next, I have my two MTEX blind bags, and they were 7 in a pack. And these retail for about 162 yen, that's tax included, and I did the math, these were 142 yen a piece, so that's 20 yen saved on each roll. So there's the double roll that I just had to order. And, funny story, I ordered these before I went on vacation, and that was so I wouldn't buy washi while on vacation because I didn't know what was coming. But I had to be greedy and I got this one while I was on vacation. And look at that, it's in there. And now I have an extra one. Here are the World Craft blind bags. I believe there are 10 each, and it was 1,080 yen per pack, so basically 108 yen per roll, and it says these retail for 120 yen, so that's a good deal as well. It's kind of hard to see the designs on these, but I will swatch them, and I'll keep them separate so you can see what was in each set. Anyway, that was a lot of talking. I'll be back in a second. I am back, guys, and here are all the washis I got. Let's take a look at them. These are the skinny BGM washis, and they are all very cute. I really like this. It's not even a gradient, it's kind of like color blocks, but I like that one. I think it comes in different colors too, so I may keep my eyes open for that. And I like these with the little designs, the raindrops, buttons, dots. They're all very, very cute. And of course a rainbow one. I have a rainbow one from World Craft, that one, but it's a little different. This one's a little more vibrant, and this one's a little more kind of subtle in a way, a little more faded maybe. Next, I have my first pack of World Craft washis. There were 10 in a pack, and surprisingly 10 designs fit on one page, so that's really cool. And I must say that I really, really love how vibrant and colorful these are, especially that one. I really like the flower one. And then here are the remaining 10. There's the overview, and we'll start at the top here. Some constellations, sky, flowers, makeup, dots, but also hexagons, flowers, banner, and then some little thank you stamps, some raindrops, I really like these, and some rainbow stripes. These are really fun as well. Next, let's look at the EX, MTEX. So there were 7 in a pack, and this was the first pack. Sakura, the dots that I got doubles of, and then some cute shapes, flowers that look like embroidery, I think, and then some more flowers and some more flowers. The remaining 7, some more embroidered flowers. Am I saying that right? Embroidered. It sounds weird to me now. More flowers, cherries, lace, stripes, and what are these called? I had a tool, you know, the little toy that you can make them with. I can't remember now. And finally we have the big World Craft washi, the 30 millimeters, I believe. So you have yellow stars, blue stars, and then some pretty designs, some yellow triangles. And then on this side we have chocolate donuts, and then some vintagey looking tickets, coupons, and more banners. I feel like this is a very popular washi design. I have a few of them from different companies. And a gradient. Now I think this goes all the way to like green, blue, purple, so it'll be very pretty to use as a border. Let me know in the comments down below which washi set, which washi tape was your favorite. I really, really like the World Craft ones. They're super pretty, and I'm super happy with my basics and actually all of these. So let me know if you like these washi swatch videos because I have a bunch more. But anyway, I will see you guys next time. Bye!